Gentlemen, welcome to my bedroom. So we talk a lot about the importance of developing an incredible morning routine. Well, one aspect to my morning routine that I feel is critical is a great shower. And so today I thought we'd hit the showers, literally and figuratively. I'm gonna show you my 5-minute shower routine to help you kick more ass and get more out of your shower and day. So my shower routine might start a little bit differently than yours because I start with my facial hair. I will bring a small handheld mirror into the shower. I also will bring my grooming tool. I use, of course, the Brio. If you haven't grabbed a Brio yet, guys, they're back in stock. There's a link down below to our discount page. These things sell out every single time I promote them, and the reason is because they are the best grooming tool I've ever used. Guys, I did a side-by-side comparison of the Brio versus the Norelco. Now, the Norelco, for those of you who've been around for a while, used to be like my previous go-to favorite. That was before the Brio came to town. Guys, I did a review of both products side-by-side and compared them and told you why this thing is so incredibly amazing and better than the Norelco. That video is not a paid review, it is totally non-biased, and I just wanted to showcase the difference between this and the Norelco. Anyway, guys, if you are looking for the best grooming tool on the market, there is nothing better than this bad boy right here. There's a link down below to our special discount page. They got them back in stock. If you're interested, you gotta grab it like today because these things always sell out. And the reason is because for the quality, the price, I don't understand how they sell these for the price that they do because the quality is so insane. All I know is that they do. They're incredible. There's a link down below. Go and grab a Brio. I promise, it is one of the best investments you've ever made in your grooming routine. But I start every shower taking care of my facial hair, or I will actually break this out, take the attachment off, and once a week I will manscape. I manscaped yesterday so I can spare you the gory details, but next I get wet and then it's time to shampoo. Now I spend a good 30 seconds shampooing my scalp and my hair. I use the fingertips, right? Really getting down there and scrubbing and exfoliating the scalp. All right? I also will massage the shampoo into my beard right over there, right? And then I sort of let that just chill while I move on to my body. Grab a shower puff, and today I'm actually testing out a prototype Pete Pedro body wash. It is gray. It smells incredible. If you're anything like me and you manscape often, it's critical that you exfoliate. Using a body puff or an exfoliating loofah is a great way to just remove dead skin cells. It also helps prevent ingrown hair. This goes for your crotch, this goes for your chest, your armpits, your back, and don't forget to wash your feet. After I'm all lathered, I'll grab my razor and do any manscaping touch-ups that I need. Typically, I manscape like once, possibly twice a week. I'm not super hairy and my hair doesn't grow crazy fast. Now it's time to wash my face, right? Little T. Hanley action right there and right there. I give my beard a double helping shampoo because I do have dandruff and I do suffer from a lot of beard flakes. The tea tree oil that's in the Pete Pedro shampoo does typically help eliminate that, but the T. Hanley wash is also great for my beard. Prior to rinsing my face, I'll grab my razor, my handheld mirror, and do any shaving touch-ups I need. When I'm in the shower, because of the steam because of all of the moisture. I don't need to use a shaving cream specifically. The face wash and all the junk I got on my face is substantial, and it is enough for me. Now, I don't suffer from razor burn terribly, but if you're somebody that definitely does have coarser hair, you may want to opt for a more specific shave cream. But for me, this works great. It takes me literally 2 seconds. Time to rinse. Then it's time to dry off. There's nothing better than starting your day with a glorious shower. For me, it's like a non-starter, right? If I don't shower, I just don't feel right. A shower is a great way for me just to kind of wake up, to get refreshed, and honestly, it just sets the mood and the tone for the rest of my day. And if you guys don't own a super soft robe, you're definitely missing out. Robes are like one of the greatest inventions ever. It's like a warm hug from grandma. 5 minutes is all it takes, gentlemen, to make sure that you're fresh, you're revitalized, and you're ready to kick the day's ass. See you tomorrow.